So today we will install PHP. So first go to the website php.net, then go to download section, then click on Windows downloads. Now there are two types of file, non-thread safe and thread safe. You have to download the thread safe version. So click on zip and it will start downloading the file. Save it on your system. So after downloading, we have to extract this file and place it into C drive. So to extract, there are two methods. One by using WinRAR. So first we will extract it by using WinRAR. So now you can see a new folder. So if you don't have a WinRAR in your PC, then right click on the file, then open with, and then Windows Explorer, then Control A to select all files, then Control C to copy all the files. Go back to the folder, then create a new folder, name it anything you want, then go to newly created folder, then copy everything. Go back to the folder. So now we have the folder. Only thing we have to do is to paste it into C drive. So Control C to copy the folder, then go to C drive. You can paste it into root directory like in C drive, but I will prefer to paste it in program files. To go then go there and Control V, then continue to paste the folder into C drive. Open the folder, then click here and Control C to copy the path. Then open start menu and write an environment variable. Now you can see here edit the system environment variable. Click on it, then click on environment variables. Then these are for particularly one user, for me, and these are for all the users. So I will install it for all the users. So click on path, then click on edit, then click on new and Control V to paste the path, then click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. Now I will show you how to run the PHP file. You can see there are two files, index.php and then demo.php. So to run the file, you have to create a new terminal, then write a command php -S localhost, then colon, then 8000. So you can change the port anything you want, like 9000 also, and then hit the enter. So you can see PHP development server started. So this command will create a development server for you so that you can run PHP files on that server. So to go to, you have to go to this link. So this link will open localhost on your system, so you can see the result. So index.php is the default file for the PHP, like the index file will always run first. So if I want to run another file, I have to give the name after a slash demo.php and then enter. You can see hello demo, and here also hello demo. So if I change it to index.php, you can see the result, hello world, then vr, and then demo. Vr is for new line. So, and if I don't give anything at the end, it will automatically run the index file. So this is how you will run a file in PHP. Thank you for watching.